We're in robotics class with Mr. Schlenker right now.
We're in the first stages of building robots. We're starting to program robots as well as build them out of Legos. It's not my first experience with Legos by any means, but definitely with a computer and programming and all that.
I'm Doug Steinfeld. I'm currently the Vice President of Engineering and Operations at AG MedNet, which is a company in Boston that specializes in the transport of medical images for teleradiology and drug trials. I've been working with Mr. Schlenker on the curriculum and how things will be introduced and what aspects are important. Now that the class is started, I'm hoping to be able to be in here once a week.
I thought Mr. Steinfeld's presentation was interesting. Getting somebody who has a lot of first-hand experience was cool to see.
We came into the class not knowing anything really, and now we're going to be able to build these complex robots in a couple of months. Maybe it opens up a field, maybe it could get me interested in engineering or computer software.
Students that go into technology, whether it's engineering or some other aspect of technology, stand double-digit percentages of almost 100% of being successful in that arena. And so that's what's gotten me interested in communicating technology as a field to kids.
I think it's good to give sort of a variety to the curriculum. Like, there isn't just your typical physics or your typical bio or chemistry. There's those things, but there's also alternative energy and robotics, and there's things for every type of interest.
I looked at robotics as I said to the kids earlier today, as something that's a good way of learning about engineering.
I started up last semester with Mr. Schlenker in alternative energy, and we kind of had some robotics with the blow-up preventers and the BP oil spill and how I could prevent that. And it was just really interesting how the robotics and things work, going beyond human capabilities.
There's a lot to do with mechanics, and we drive cars every day, so it's interesting to know how things work. And I'm on computers every day, so the skills I learn here can only help make things easier in the future.
This isn't just a class where you sit and learn, and maybe there's some field work or whatever, but at the end there is a competition against dozens of other teams that have been given the same resources they have, and to see how that competition plays out.